The energy ring can be found under SASSE Library Effects Energy. We drag that into our scene. And once it loads, we can hit play. To see the effect in action, we can turn down the speed multiplier if we want to see it moving at a different rate. I can also go backwards if we want to see it going down. And then progress will allow you to animate the size and the transparency of it. Vertex group is just the group that we're going to actually displace. So we want the bottom group of vertices along the cylinder to not move. Essentially, we want them to stay in place. And then that top ring, we want to shoot up and down to all these different points. So the group allows us to specify which one is actually being animated. Subdivision level will determine how pointy, how many individual points you have on your mesh to displace. And then you can change the color as well.